This is the elevator here at the Macy store at the Monmouth Mall in Eatontown, New Jersey.
This was originally an Otis, as you could see.
Installed in 1959. So I'm sorry, Felicia, but I don't think it could have easily been made glass.
But it was modernized by ThyssenKrupp. Here it is.
This store used to be Bamberger's, like Menlo Park and Livingston.
This has
No bell.
LL.
Alright.
UL. Forgot which side end it's going to open on.
It's going to open on this side. Otis.
Yep.
Coming up.
Yep.
Coming up.
3, please. Thank you. You coming? Come on.
Maybe it's not working.
No, the escalator's not working upstairs.
Before you go
Better
into?
off in
Oh, my
here.
mom is coming. Hold on. We're
Yes,
just gonna go
one
to
more,
the middle.
one more. Come on.
Oh man, this thing's going to nudge.
Before you go into?
Thank you.
We're gonna go to the middle. M.
At Mel.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Guys, thanks for waiting.
Are you guys on YouTube?
Yeah, we're elevator enthusiasts. We like to take videos of the elevators, and then we post them on YouTube.
This is an Otis from 1959, but it was modernized in 2010 by ThyssenKrupp.
Wow. Impressive.
It just goes to show how much of elevator enthusiasts we are. To be an elevator enthusiast, you have to have this much knowledge of an elevator.
Well,
Yeah, that's right. Being an elevator enthusiast is
This
serious
is the second
business.
floor.
Oh, I think you can see up the shaft.
Oh yeah, you can see up the shaft there.
LL?
No, ML is where we're getting off. Have a good day, ma'am.
Thank you.
Oh, you coming down?
Going to the middle. Where are you going?
ML.
ML?
He pushed it by mistake.
You're ML? You going out?
Yeah.
You done shopping?
We're actually just elevator enthusiasts.
Alright, let's get a cab view.
We like to take videos of elevators and then we post them on YouTube.
This was originally an Otis from 1959 until 2010 when it was modernized.
Who knows?
Yep. Okay, Gabe, that's
You don't
enough.
want to take another ride?
No,
Alright,
this is just too busy.
I figure. Man, that door operator is horrible.
Thank you. Thank
It's
you.
going to have to be replaced, the motor on it.
Gabe, hold
Alright.
on 1 second.
There it goes, and that's it.